Hi there. So I am going to show you how to use this to upload reading progress. So you click on assignments, which I'm already in. Then you go to create assignment. Then you want to add a title. Now I'm doing the third text for year 5, so like I've been numbering them like 1, 2, 3, that type of thing. And then the code that I'm using is that it is year 5 and then an N for NAPLAN and 2008, because it's the 2008 NAPLAN reading texts. And I've put the 5 in here just so that students don't really know what age group it is in case they're older or younger, so that there's no self-confidence issues here. Then I go to all students and I choose the individual students. So I'll go here and choose those year 5 students and year 6 students. And I'll press, oops, just have to move myself. And then I'll press done. And I'm going to attach a reading progress. So I go to attach, I've then done a reading progress, and I'm going to go to import Word or PDF, and I'm going to upload it from this device. And I've got loads of downloads, as you can see, but here is the NAPLAN one that I downloaded, the last one, 2008. So I'll open that. And because it's the NAPLAN, it's got 5 texts in it. So I want to delete all the text so that I've only got text number 3, because that's the one that we're up to. So hopefully Teams won't shut down on me while I'm doing this. Okay, now I'm going up to edit here. So here's your text here. I'm going up to edit, and I'm going to just select this bit and delete because it's just not needed. And this was text number 1. This is text number 2, so we've already done that. And this is text number 3, is called Lacey. So I'll just get that to the top. And then I'll just go down to the bottom here and take away, I'm just going to check, yep, it's all the way to here. And then I'll take away the rest of the text so that I've only got the text of Lacey in there. So that's the one that I want. Now, because it's uploaded from NAPLAN, it's in a really weird format. So I might delete it, delete some of the lines here so that it all goes onto the right page. And at this point, I'm just, so we're just evening it up so that it is correct. And I'm actually going to use this one. I might give it a paragraph here so that makes it a bit easier to read. But yes, basically you can see where the paragraphs are, and you can see where it's just randomly put it to the next line for no reason. So I've fixed it up there. I'm going to change the name of this here again to the same name as before. So number 3, text number 3, and it is from year 5, NAPLAN 2008. And then I'm going to choose, this one is fiction, so better just move myself again so you can see here is fiction, and I'll go next. Oops, and it will just prompt you, so there's nothing you can do wrongly in this case, because it will always prompt you for what you have to do. Next, so I've got the title here, I've got the attachment that I've just uploaded and checked there. I've selected the student, so I could do that now if I wanted to. Now the due date, The way that I'm doing it is I'm editing it to go schedule it in the future. So I'm going to schedule this one for next Wednesday, but because I want it to be there immediately in the morning, I'm just going to schedule it for midnight on Tuesday and make the date that it's due at the end of the week. So hopefully the kids will have one text to read every week each day. And that's it. Schedule all done. And as you can see here, so we've got for Monday, they've got one here for year 3, for Monday again, that's year 5. For Tuesday, we've got one for year 3 and one for year 5. And for Wednesday, we've got one for year 3 and one for year 5. And that's it. So hopefully you can just rewatch this. After you've done it a few times, it's really not that hard. But it will take a while to get familiar with it. So hopefully that's helpful.